So by the time it gets to us at this size, it's already been cut from the 4-foot by 10-foot slabs down to smaller, and then cut down again. And then once we get it rough cut here, we have to actually machine it,
Square it up.
we have to square it up, and then it gets to go and become a pair of sole plates. So it's already gone through 3 sets of cuts. So yeah. People are curious what the blocks look like.
It does look like a PS2, by the way. It does look like a PS2.
Yes, that's your name.